Without objection.
Mr. Speaker, all the symptoms are clear. As a medical doctor, I rise today to diagnose the Obama administration and the majority leadership in this Congress with an addiction to raising taxes. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Obama budget calls for more than $1.1 trillion in new taxes over the course of the next decade, including a $646 billion in new taxes for their tax and cap scheme alone. Cap and tax will raise the American families' energy costs by more than $3,100 each year. That amounts to the largest tax increase in the history of our nation. Cap and tax is an overdose of new taxes. And mark my words, it will lead to catastrophic consequences. Experts almost unanimously agree that the cap and tax will destroy millions of jobs and devastate our economy. All this while having marginal, if any, impact on global emission. I urge my colleagues and the American people to stand up against these tax increases and oppose this legislation.
Gentleman's time has expired. For what purpose?